Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to reconnect Google Home to Wi-Fi. Let's go. Open Google Home app. Choose your device. Settings. Remove device. Remove. After that, you need to reset the device to factory settings. After resetting, click Add device, Google Nest or partner device. Follow the prompts. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Enter Wi-Fi password. Complete the device setup. That's it. Now you know how to reconnect Google Home to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.